Have you been looking for a performance SUV with styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio in Alfa Rosso. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO brakes, active blind spot assist, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, navigation, Alpha DNA drive modes, heated rear seating, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.9-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 90690B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.